The hardening bags are different level. This is very qualityful bags and this is different color bags, so this is very powerful, comfortable for dog and easy to use. Any puppy dog, this is a very nice product on Amazon. So this is very powerful and comfortable for dog, easy to use. So this clips are very nice and strong, so easy to use every man. This clip is very powerful and this is strong, very carefully use. This lace, this is shoulder lace, best lace is very powerful, so easy to use and easy to clipping. So this is very nice product and easy to use. Every puppy dog, any dog, so this is very comfortable for dog and nice product.